Cheapest 2021 Lucid Air priced near arch-rival Tesla Model S. Top-of-the-line Dream Edition stickers for a whopping $169,000. The Lucid Air luxury sedan promises beautiful appointments in a sleek all-electric package. Additionally, Lucid is claiming thrilling acceleration and an estimated top speed of 217 miles per hour. As we'd expect of a Tesla-rivaling brand, Lucid promises that it will offer autonomous and semi-autonomous driving technologies with the Air. Expect pricing to start in the $60,000 range for an entry-level model. The 2021 Lucid Air promises to cream the Tesla Model S when it comes to range and acceleration. But as it turns out, for its highest Zoot models, great performance comes at a great price. But the base model's pricing, at first blush, seems on par with its rivals. That base Lucid Air starts at $77,400 without destination. Lucid is still determining what the destination charge will be at the time of this writing. Keep in mind the Air should qualify for the full federal tax credit, which when factored into the equation, brings the quoted price down to $69,900. The Tesla Model S no longer qualifies for this credit, and it starts at $70,620, including a $1,200 destination charge. Performance specs for the base model are solid. Lucid estimates it will deliver up to 480 HP and travel 406 miles on a charge. It can add 300 miles of range in 20 minutes when plugged into a DC fast charger. The entry-level Air goes on sale well after the initial batch of higher-end Airs roll off the assembly line. The Lucid Air utilizes a skateboard platform and up to 3 electric motors for varying levels of power and range. The high-performance variant with an estimated range of well over 400 miles on a single charge, 3 electric motors, and Tesla-beating acceleration will launch first. An entry-level variant should join after with an estimated range of 240 miles and 400 HP. Although EPA ratings haven't been set just yet, we've personally experienced the Lucid Air nearly hitting 500 miles on a drive through California. Starting from the most expensive model, the Dream Edition has an estimated 503-mile range, while the Grand Touring is expected to have a staggering 517-mile range. Later on, a 406-mile Touring will become available, and possible a sub-400-mile base model in 2022. Move up to the Touring, and you're looking at a price of $95,000 before accounting for tax credits and destination. This variant delivers 620 HP, or enough to propel the sedan to 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds. It's also capable of crossing the quarter mile after 11.4 seconds at 123 miles per hour. Like the base model, the Touring's driving range is a claimed 406 miles, which puts it close to the figure of the Model S Long Range Plus. Lucid calls the Touring, and the next level Grand Touring, the heart of its lineup. With an advertised 517 miles of range, the Grand Touring gains a decisive win over Tesla. It's also quite potent, delivering 800 HP, a 3.0-second trot to 60 miles per hour, and a quarter-mile time of 10.8 seconds at 133 miles per hour. The price? An eye-watering $139,000. But that's chump change compared to the Dream Edition, the highest-performing variant with 1,080 HP. Lucid claims the top-of-the-line trim hits 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds and runs the quarter mile in 9.9 seconds at 144 miles per hour. These models come with a laundry list of luxurious appointments, including bridge of Weir leather, eucalyptus wood, and trim-specific wheels. Prices break the bank at $169,000. Compare this to the most expensive Tesla Model S, the upcoming Plaid, which Tesla estimates hits 60 miles per hour less than 2 seconds and starts at $141,190, including destination. The 2021 Lucid Air enters production at Lucid's Casa Grande, Arizona, plant in the spring of 2021. The Dream Edition hits the market first, followed by the Grand Touring in the summer and the Touring near the end of 2021. The base model arrives in early 2022.